Fix the Ghost Recon Wildlands infinite loading screen when the game gets stuck while launching. Let's get straight into the steps. First, right-click the Start button and select Run. Type msconfig and press Enter. When System Configuration opens, go to the Boot tab and click Advanced Options. Here, enable Number of Processors and select a maximum of 8 processors from the drop-down menu. Click OK, then click Apply and OK. Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Restart your PC, then launch Ghost Recon Wildlands and check if the infinite loading screen has been fixed. If the problem is still there, go back to msconfig, open Boot, Advanced Options, and uncheck Number of Processors. Apply the changes and restart your computer again. Now for the next fix, you'll need a tool called Process Lasso. Download and install it from its official website. Once the installation is complete, open your Steam or Ubisoft Connect launcher, depending on where you own the game. Start Ghost Recon Wildlands, and while the game is launching, open Process Lasso. Look through the list of running processes and find grw.exe, which is the Ghost Recon Wildlands executable. Right-click grw.exe, go to CPU Affinity, and then select Always. You'll see a list of available CPU cores. If your processor has E-cores, identify them and disable those cores for the game. After that, go back to CPU Affinity, Always, and look for the option related to hyperthreading or SMT, depending on your processor. Intel systems may show hyperthreading, while AMD systems may show SMT. Apply the appropriate CPU Affinity settings to the game. Once you've finished, launch Ghost Recon Wildlands again and check whether it gets past the loading screen. If the game launches normally, you've successfully fixed the issue. And that's how you can troubleshoot the Ghost Recon Wildlands infinite loading screen. If one solution doesn't work, make sure you undo the temporary CPU changes before trying the next one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming fixes and PC tutorials.